Bangalore, and Chennai apparently is probably the last metro city where we came into, and we were looking for a right partner to venture into the city, and that is when Ajit and Ranjeev, Savvy Kitchen, aspire for us into good business. This lounge is created with an intent that we are able to showcase our technology to the market in Chennai, to the customers in Chennai. They can come to this lounge, they can experience our products, they can taste the food that is coming out of the products, they can bring in their own products, do research and development in this lounge. So this lounge is out and out created for the benefit of our customers, who okay, who will be free to use and explore all the technologies that we have. Uh, I'm also very thankful today to Chef Sitaraman, who's here, who's also
Chef is there.
launched to the Chennai market. And thank you very much to all the partners. Thank you, Matt, for supporting us to come up, with this lounge here in Chennai. And we have great hopes that with this lounge we will be able to get into this market, which wherein we feel that all our current technologies, be it the chef tops, be it the the chef top X, be it the Averio, be it our speed ovens, we feel that this market has a potential that all our technologies can be used in this market. So thank you very much, all of you. Thank you, Rahul, for being here. Thank you, all of you, for being here today. And yeah, that's it. I'd like to hand over. So we
the
are
journey doesn't end
we are currently on a road trip to open lounges. So from Chennai, where we are doing this opening today, day after tomorrow, we are also opening a lounge in Bangalore, which is with one of our partners, local partners in Bangalore, called Trade Links, and or Kitchenways. They are known by two names. So yeah, we'll be looking forward for that.
Thank you, Ajit.
வணக்கம். ஸோ என்னோட தமிழ் அவ்வளோ கிளியராக வராது, தென் அதனால நான் கரெக்டாக ட்ரை பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் தேங்க்யூ யுனாக்ஸ் டீம். இங்கே வந்து சென்னையில் ஃபஸ்ட்டாக வந்து அவங்களோட லவுஞ்சை ஆரம்பிக்கிறதுக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் எடுத்திருக்கு. ப்ளஸ் அவங்களோட ப்ராடக்ட்ஸை பார்த்தோம்னா ஸ்டார்ட்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் டொமஸ்டிக் கஸ்டமர் டு இண்டஸ்ட்ரியல் கேண்டீன் வரைக்கும் உள்ள டிஃப்ரெண்ட் வெரைட்டி ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ அதில் ஸ்பெஷல் தேங்க்ஸ் டு Managing Director of UNOX India, Mr. Vikram Goyal, Mr. Matt, and moreover the great support from Mr. Ranjeev Sinha from Mumbai. He is my partner. அவரும் வந்து நல்லா இதில் வந்து நமக்கு சப்போர்ட் கொடுக்குறாரு. எல்லா லெவலிலும் இப்போ சர்வீஸ், மார்க்கெட்டிங் எல்லா ரீதியிலும் அவங்க நல்லா சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுறாரு. ப்ளஸ் மோரோவர் அவங்களுக்கே ஒரு 36 மெம்பர்ஸ் ஆஃப் டீமே இந்தியாவில் இருக்குது. ஸோ அதிலே வந்து கீ அக்கௌண்ட் பார்க்குறது வந்து ஸ்ரீ, அதே மாதிரி ஆக்டிவ் மார்க்கெட்டிங் ஷெஃப் லக்ஷ்மண் இருக்குது, தென் கார்பரேட் ஷெஃப் சிவா இருக்குது, தென் நேஷ்னல் கார்பரேட் ஷெஃப் நிகில் ரஸ்தோரி இருக்குது. ஸோ அவங்கள பார்த்தோம்னா இட்ஸ் அ பிக் ஷெஃப் டீம். ஸோ அவங்களோட மேஜர் மோட்டிவ் வந்து எப்படி கஸ்டமருக்கு நல்லா சொல்யூஷன் ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணலாம், பெனிஃபிட்ஸ் கொடுக்கலாம். ஸோ ஸ்டார்ட்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் டொமஸ்டிக் கஸ்டமர்ஸ்லேருந்து இண்டஸ்ட்ரியல் கேண்டீன் வரைக்கும் அவங்கக்கிட்ட வெரைட்டிஸ் ஆஃப் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது. அரௌண்ட் 56 டிஃப்ரெண்ட் நம்பர்ஸ் ஆஃப் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ அதுதான் அவங்களோட மேஜராக வந்து வெரைட்டிஸ் ஆஃப் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ அதில் எல்லா வெரைட்டிஸில் மினிமல் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் தான் நம்ம இப்போ டிஸ்பிளே வச்சுருக்கோம். ஸோ அதில் எல்லாமே இன்றைக்கி குக் பண்ணி காட்டுறோம். ஸோ அதில் சின்ன மிஷின்லேருந்து இந்த ஸ்டீமர் வரைக்கும், இப்போ ஸ்டீமர் யூஸ் பண்ணுற கஸ்டமருக்காக ஸ்டீமரும் அவங்க இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ அதுதான் இந்த யுனாக்ஸ் லவுஞ்சோட ஒரு திருவிழா மாதிரி நம்ம இன்னைக்கு கொண்டாடி இருக்கோம். ஸோ எல்லாருக்கும் வந்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. எஸ்பெஷலி சீதாராம் ஷெஃப்க்கு இந்த இதை இனாக்ரேட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு we are so thankful to Sitaram Chef. So thank you so much for everyone to come and join with us. Thank you.
Chef, you can speak few words. I'm Chef Sitaram Prasad. I wish and congratulate the team UNOX for a successful launch here in Chennai. Chennai is an evolving market, and a couple of challenges Chennai is facing, but not only Chennai, entire world is facing manpower. Number two is sustaining quality standards, and then the food safety. So these are all three things which we need to address. We need technology. technology is something where it is a must and it is going to become an integral part of our life, for chef's life. So that way, I'm able to see. In fact, chef was explaining to me, with so much of technology available. If I have three equipments of this, I can run a restaurant of 60 to 75 hours without any chef. So that is something which where technological support is required, and we have to understand technology better. All these days, chefs were using combi ovens for a long time only for steaming, but now the applications and the facilities what I have seen in these ovens are very elaborate, and where a layman can cook food. Like that is something which is interesting, and this technology helps the chefs life little better, and some kind of easiness is there, and not required for me to work from morning to night, where people used to, before opening the restaurant 5 hours I have to come in advance. It is not required nowadays. With this kind of technology, I can come in time and I can open it. Like, so I think with this kind of technological advancements by UNOX, I think life of chefs is becoming very easy. And ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. சென்னையில இருக்குது மெயினா, so that people can come and experience and then buy the equipment. See, ரொம்ப முக்கியமான விஷயம் வாங்குறது பெருசு இல்லை, எல்லாரும் இப்போ வாங்கிடுறாங்க. அதை வந்து 100% யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ணணும். முக்கியமாக மேன் பவர், ஹைஜீன், சஸ்டைனிங் குவாலிட்டி ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ஸ், இது மூணும் இனிமேல் ஒரு ரெஸ்டாரண்ட் தேவைன்னா டெக்னாலஜி தேவை. இனிமேல் இல்லை இண்டிவிஜுவலாக பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க முடியாது. We cannot depend upon human intervention too much. So we need technological support. அதுக்கு வந்துட்டு இந்த UNOX வந்து will be a big support for us. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So I'll invite
The purpose for which it is opened. This is the 4th lounge we have opened. The 5th is in Bangalore with Kitchen Whiz, which is day after tomorrow. We are planning to have one more in Hyderabad soon, and then followed with Calcutta. So we are in UNOX. We are covering right from northeast Guwahati to Calcutta to Bombay, Goa, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore. So and Gurgaon, of course, we have a large facility because the UNOX head office is there. And as Chef was saying that. This is a place where we want chefs to come, try food, and then select what machine suits them best for their requirement. It is we are not wanting people to just see a catalog and then take a decision of buying machines which are expensive. So they can come, they can have their recipes, they can tell us what they need, and we are doing the entire demonstration. First, you are convinced as a hotelier or a chef that you are buying the right product which can meet your requirement. Then you take your decision of buying. So we are making it simpler for people instead of just by listening to others buying. Come experience, and that's why it's a center for that. Thank you.
Thank you, Matt. I would request.
Tamil.
Indeed.
Vanakkam. You can say vanakkam.
Now, first of all, thank you everyone for being here. It's,
Just vanakkam.
I arrived this morning and it's great to see such enthusiasm for the brand. Thank you to Anjeev and Vikram and the UNOX team to make this happen. A lot of people ask us, especially in the oven market, what makes us different? What makes UNOX different to any other oven in the market? And we always say our people. And we say our people because we want to be close to you. We want to be close to our customers. And that's why, as Ranjiv said, we don't just sell from a brochure. If you buy a pair of shoes, you try them on first. Okay? So why not when you buy an oven, something 300,000 INR, do you not try it first? And that's what we are bringing to the market. That's what we are doing different. Again, you can test before you buy, but after that, when you buy an oven, we're also there next to you. We're there to train you how to use the oven, how to maximize the potential of the investment that you've made. We're there to service your oven. We're there to make sure your oven lasts 10 years. We are not just selling it and moving away to the next person. So we need to be in a country which is as big as India and as vast as India. We need to be close to everyone. As we said, we have 5 lounges now. We have Gurgaon head office with the experience centre there, and we are still opening lounges. India as a market, for me, is the most important market in this region. And that's because of everything that you guys are doing. You guys, you drive business, you love business. You hear about people opening new stores in Sri Lanka or new QSRs, new sandwich shops. Every Indian I meet has that entrepreneur spirit within them. So we need to be part of that market to help you guys to succeed. If we succeed, you succeed. And that's why we're here today to launch this great innovation centre, this UNOX lounge, and bring it to you people. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
So I'm
I'm not a baker. I'm trained in European cuisine all my life. I've been a chef now for 22 years and I've always been a continental chef. But now I have to bake. Now how do I bake? It has a very good technology called Chef UNOX. Now if I just press Chef UNOX, it will give me a lot of cooking methods. Like pastry, fish, meat. I can go for some, real intense cooking methods as well. It has more than 1,000 inbuilt settings in this. Now what does that mean? Let's say I want to do some croissants. I have some croissants there. I go to pastry, just because I'm not a baker. I choose what I have to cook. So croissant is something that I will go. I will just answer some multiple choice questions now. Now the things that I have there, the croissant is a 40 gram croissant. So I'll just go for 40 gram of croissant. I can choose whatever I want. So from 40, I can go to 120 if I had to. So if I'm making a big croissant, I can do whatever I can. So 40 gram croissant, it will ask me what is the intensity that you like, which is the external crust. Right? I want light, medium or very intense. Some people want to do it light. Why? Because they probably want to use it later. Yeah, they will make these croissants, they will make the sandwiches, keep it in the chiller. When the order comes, they will take it, put it again inside the oven for final coloration. So they might choose less as well. But I choose medium. All I have to do now is to press the start button. That's it.